Hello guys, welcome back to The Wandering Beard. Thanks so much for watching. Today we are in Manta, Ecuador. We're just going to be walking around and exploring the city. So let's go have some fun. We're just walking around Manta. Came to a little boardwalk. There's some street food and some boats cruising around. And we're just gonna take in the sights. Looks like we stumbled upon some sort of museum. Not sure how much they want me to film in here, but I'm gonna do my best. Alright, that was a fun little surprise. Now we're heading back out onto the street. We just left a little market. I picked up a little souvenir. Kind of into horror movies, and I saw this creepy little guy. He's coming home with me. Now we're gonna do a little walk around the beach area. Looks like they have some little shops and street food. Alright guys, we stumbled upon another museum. It's like a cultural museum. So we're going to wander around here right before we head back to the boat. little walk around the beach. Now we are heading back towards the boat. I think we're probably going to call it a day from there. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to these videos, and we'll see you next time.